Hi everyone, my name is Kenny Fair. I am the creator of Fantasy Forge, and I'm just bringing you over here to the website that I had made so you can see how to read the webcomic as well as understand the information that I will be offering through the website. So right over here in this corner, this is going to be where you can access the website menu. Right over here you can see our website. It is fantasyforge.website. As you can see right over here from this little lock icon, it does show that it is a secured website. So everything on the website is secure. So when you see that little padlock on the website, that means that any information you submit, transmit, or anything else is secured information over a secured line. So I just wanted to kind of point that out. And so right over here, you can actually click on the menu and it'll pull it up. You'll see it says Fantasy Forge, and there's different sections to the menu on the actual heading itself. So let's say you want to find out more about the characters. So instead of having to scroll down like this to see something, you can actually just go right over here. Let's say you want to know more about the characters. You just click on characters, and then it's going to take you to the characters, and then you can just close this out to close the menu. You can actually read about the characters. When we have multiple characters, I'll have these arrows. You can just click like that, and as you can see, that tells you more about Ozer. The previous character was Bale, and as you can see, it has a portrait of the character as well as a different background that kind of matches that character. I did that on purpose because I wanted a different feel to give a different setting for that character. As different characters' comics come out, we're going to be doing different portraits and things like that. So let's say you want to go to a different part of the website right after that, find out about the webcomic. Then you can just click on that. As you see right here, it shows read, it shows connect on Instagram. So let's say you want to connect with us on Instagram. You just click right there, boom, there it is, Instagram. Our Instagram's right there. It shows our posts, information, things like that. And then let's say you wanted to manually scroll down. You can meet the characters, that's one of the settings. About the author, me, that's Kenny, kind of gives my information. As well as, story about, Instagram, if you want to connect, talks about our webcomic series, how we're doing it as an Amazon exclusive, and then a journal for our blog information. If you just want to say hello, you can do that as well as leave comments, and then it just shows you different things from recent posts. You can connect with us with me on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, as well as YouTube, and so videos like this will be on the YouTube channel as well. So you can actually click right here to kind of go over more of the information and bring it up. So the webcomic. So let's say you want to go back to the top. You want to go about, maybe you want to find out the features. Anything you click on, it's automatically going to take you there. So let's go back up here. You could read the book. So right here, this is actually takes you to the book, the web series comic book. So this is our prologue, and we also have an epilogue for every comic book. This right here will actually let you change the page. If you click on any of the pages, you can jump directly to them by clicking on that menu item, which takes you to the table of contents. So let's say page 7. You kind of scroll down here, and you can actually read the comic itself. So you want to go to page 8 and just kind of jump to it. It goes over that information as well. So as you can see, this is very easy to navigate, very user friendly. There is a prologue and epilogue, and the webcomic is going to be related to doing webcomics based after every comic that comes out. So it's either a beginning part to the actual comic that's coming out, or it's the ending part, so after the last page of the comic. So that's how I'm gonna keep them related, is by having these little mini webcomic series so people can get introduced to it. I can bring out more information that I couldn't release in the comic or didn't release in the comic. And the reason why I'm also doing this is because with the agreement with Amazon, I cannot re-release any digital information if I make it an Amazon exclusive. So this is a way to kind of keep it you know, within those confinements of the agreement, but also give you more information, give people a sneak peek as to what the comic looks like, the feel of it, as well as giving background information at the same time that I'm not actually going to release with the comic itself. So it serves a couple of different purposes. To get out of that, you just click right here. And so you can go ahead and view information that I'm going to be releasing. This first one is Kali Webcomic Series issue number 1. And like I said, there's different pictures, different backgrounds. You could scroll down to all the different sections and headings and things like that to kind of look around. Or you can go right over here to the menu and look at the webcomic series itself. So you can just jump about. If you're doing it on your phone, and this is one of the reasons why I kind of set up the format like it, it's easier just to press the menu, press it, have it automatically go to your phone. So I thought this would make it a little bit more user friendly. Feel free to leave some comments or feedback on that as well. And then this is where all of our webcomic series are going to be. So this one is actually going to be leaving in February, and we're going to have a webcomic for Apocalypse. That's going to be released February 14th of this year. I am working right now to get Kali set up with Amazon, so the release date is supposed to be January 14th, which is tomorrow, and so that should be up by tomorrow sometime. I can't give an exact time because it has to go through Amazon and it takes some time for it to process, but it should be there hopefully no later than midday. If not later tonight, Sunday night. Alright, so if anyone has any questions, just go ahead and let me know. This is going to be our YouTube channel for Fantasy Forge. Feel free to check it out. I'm going to be doing other web series and things like that, as well as other videos about different characters. I have a Kali one coming up that I'm going to be doing, as well as one on Ozer, who is another main character who you actually will see in this comic for the web series, as well as being released in Kali issue number 1. So stay tuned for that. I appreciate you tuning in, and feel free to bookmark this page. You can also subscribe on YouTube. I also have IGTV videos coming out. Have one posted for Instagram kind of related to this. These are going to go a little bit more in depth since we're not on the 10-minute time limit. And feel free to connect with Fantasy Forge. I'll be giving out more information about that and how the whole story kind of progresses and what's different from Fantasy Forge than other comics, and how the story is very unique with each comic being connected to it. So I hope you enjoyed seeing how to navigate the website. And if you have any questions, comments, or anything like that, feel free to post them. Also connect with me on different social media channels, which you can actually find at the bottom page of the website, right over here. Let me go ahead and go there real quick. So you have a contact page, but then right here at the bottom, you also have to where you can connect on our different social media pages. Alright, I look forward to hearing everyone's comments, look forward to releasing out the new content, and I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you for tuning in for this, and I will be making other videos in the near future. Thanks.